happy whatever today is. I hope you're having a really great day. If you are, that's great. And if you're not, that's also okay too. We all have bad days. Anyway, today's video is face mask, choose my outfit for a week, because I wanted to film another style related video with the one accessory we all have, which is face masks. Also, I know the video title says a week, but it was actually 6 days that I filmed because I only have 6 masks that look different from each other. So cool. Okay, let's get started. So this mask, like most of the masks in this video, is from Redbubble. I thought for this outfit I wanted to go with a theme of white and trendy and bandanas. So I'm wearing a white skirt, white shoes, white socks, and then I have this white bag by Naomi Accessories. And what's really cool is inside here, if I can do this with one hand, which I don't think I can, is a bunch of bandana material. This bag is so cute and I absolutely love it. So we have the bandana right here, matching the bandana on here. And then I just have this sweatshirt from Brandy Melville. These necklaces right here are from Princess Polly. Then this skirt, which I'm absolutely in love with. It's super high-waisted. It's from Berkshire. I can't pronounce it. I'll have it linked like right here-ish, so you can find it yourself. But these tennis skirts are so trendy right now, and I really just like skirts because they're just fun to dance in and stuff. Then I just have these Nike socks and then these giant white shoes, which are kind of obnoxious, but I really like them and I think it's cute. So here's the bandana masks outfit. So today's outfit, this mask, honestly, I'm not sure where it's from. It is really comfortable and I really like this mask. We have a bunch of these. I didn't get this one, my mom got it, so I'll have to ask her where it's from, but I would totally recommend these masks. They're really soft and I like them a lot. And then to go with this mask, I was thinking of something like cream colored that was the same color as the mask itself, and then I wanted to mix it with some other like neutral colors. So that's what I did. This sweater is from PacSun. It's by the brand Lodi Moss. And then these like shiny fur pleather jogger type things. I don't know how to describe them. They're drawstring, but these are from Zara. And then these socks are from Amazon. And then my shiny Doc Martens. And then these snake earrings. These are really cool. I like these a lot. These are from Princess Polly. And then I just have this cute choker from Ana Luisa. So I'm gonna try to like link everything that I have below. A lot of my clothes I've had for quite a while, but the ones that I still can find, I will link below. So here we have another face mask from Redbubble. This one's really cool. It's very like Y2K. It's pink and it's checkered and it has those little sparkles in here that I just absolutely love. You can't even see it when I do that, but I really like this one. And then I just have these earrings. Honestly, I think they're from Target. I don't really remember. And then I have these necklaces from FabFitFun. And then I have this shirt that says Angel on it from somewhere. And then I have this Naomi Accessories bag. And then I have this skirt from Princess Polly that you've probably seen me wear a billion times because I really like this skirt. Then I just have the standard white socks and my giant shoes, which I also keep wearing because they're so cute. So that's today's outfit. Okay, so today's outfit. Today's mask is once again from Redbubble. It's just this cool tie-dye pattern. And then I have these sunglasses from Urban Outfitters. Then I just have some jewelry right here. This fuzzy turtleneck short sleeve top. I really like this. It's cropped. It's nice. It's good. I really like it. And then I have this bag, which I borrowed from my mom. And then I just have this skirt from Zara. This is a high-waisted skirt. It's actually a skirt that like shorts underneath, which I really like. And then I just have my normal shoes that I keep wearing in like all of these. They look good with every single outfit, so.
So
So today's mask, we have another Redbubble mask. This one is so cute. It's butterflies and sparkles. It's just, I love this sort of aesthetic. This mask was kind of loose, so I just tied these into really tight knots right here so it fits properly, because obviously you want to have a mask that fits properly. But anyway, I'm just wearing my necklaces from Princess Polly, and then I just have this tank top from Urban Outfitters. This is like made of that like kind of soft like velour type material, and I really like it. It's the only orange shirt that I have because I like don't really wear orange. And then I have my Naoma Accessories white bag and these Brandy Melville plaid pants. I really like these style of pants because they're super high-waisted and they're actually like the right length on me, because oftentimes pants are way too short on me, but these are perfect length. And then I just have my giant white shoes. Okay, so for today's outfit, we have another Redbubble mask. This one says Antisocial Social Distancing Club. I just think this is cute. Obviously, this mask is black and white, so I want the black and white themed outfit, so I just have my normal jewelry. This black turtleneck from PacSun. I wear this turtleneck all the time. It's so comfortable. It's technically a mock neck, which I like better than a turtleneck. And then I just have this bag again that I borrowed from my mom, and then I have these Princess Polly white pants, which are really cute, and I really like this like black flame on them. It gives it a little bit of an edge. Finally, I just have these heeled winter boots from Off-Broadway. I got them last winter and I just really like them a lot. They're very like city urban aesthetic, and I just think they're cute, and I really like this outfit. This one may be my favorite one. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love picking out outfits. It's so fun. And I hope you liked seeing these outfits and these masks. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite mask was, and subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification bell on. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Adios.